To Idea G8 TV, Showbiz Bars. Yeah, we come your way every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays right here on Idea G8 TV at 12 p.m. Well, my name is Sikao, and I'm in the Matinogom na. Made the Jumedi no Chiame. Namade more koni na so bro. I hope the BBI are fine. You are watching us live on Facebook. You can also get interactive with us on our social media platforms at Idea G8 TV on Instagram, Twitter, and also Facebook. And yeah, so that is it. Send us your messages. BBI ya discuss wa hebiano. Send my name. I'm also reading. Well, my name is Sika Woman, and this is Showbiz Buzz. Now, quickly, let's move on to quick gist. Quick gist here. Yeah, segment. Yeah, what is trending in the entertainment industry, in the showbiz industry? What is trending? Yamwaro kodo. Wana came, may yanka. Well, on Monday we met right here. When Idea G8 and the cat in Sembebre about Azonto coming back, the revival and everything. Magic George, I had ya pensing, same numa. My became who the originators are, whether it was a music genre or not. Nina, we explaining my yatase. Well, going back to what happened on Monday, we talked about Oye Gasmela saying there as Azonto wasn't dead, Sako de Pede, or revive Azonto, or no Gasmela, no Sako de Momun. Gasmila no na nyono no ba be send the beat to Sarkodie na so Sarkodie dey hook no. Well, Sarkodie is also saying that he never claimed that he is the originator of Azonto. Into no Sarkodie said ono en claim there ono no kofa Azonto be. Well, Monday no so yeta so was show no there anya ada nipa kru bi na kofa oye Azonto ode be na collectively, I don't know what industry at that time, and now what trend, and why rise what industry now, one now, but together, I know my Azonto, Oko, worldwide. Well, to our next story, we actually a virtual concert because of coronavirus, ya cancel events, brain, events we be open or virtual or online instead of the auditorium now and don't have to take it work now on watching because we are practicing social distancing baby are virtual. Well, we were thinking the VGMA, the biggest entertainment award event in Ghana, because of coronavirus, no one to remember the name say or virtual because the last time we were talking about Jamaican international reggae awards. Yeah, I'll call what Jamaica Kingston now. Behind closed doors, online, for sure. Fancy Gadam and also Stoneboy once we win award, Now we were also expecting something similar right here in Ghana with regards to VGM, But then Robert Clark, Mr. Robert Clark, who is the PRO for Chatterhouse, Yebisan no said sisi and don't winter. It could be there trend after this pandemic is over, that is COVID-19. It's over now VGM, and now so there maybe about to na call virtual way nibi na naturally sisiano auditorium auditorium. So we are waiting there. We are also take a decision because they are still trying to figure things out now. How and so obako. Well, talking about virtual concerts, Ghana gospel music industry, so they are also planning on bringing out hosting a virtual concert. Enjoy. And there because of coronavirus, no sense in me. And I also why I want to film because the likes of Edem, Shatawale, even Adina, some of Stoneboy, some of the artists, my concert online, even international content, gospel phone also today. I also saw a virtual concert. So just to be about home, piano. Meso Metibabra or quick just on Showbiz Buzz right here on Idea TV. Now also so in Morocco. Well, speaking of virtual concerts, I 3 music awards. Yes, 3 music awards. Anchor then called but earlier this year, and I went to one, but because of coronavirus, they are also going virtual. Yes, 3 music awards, so and virtual virtual awards on the 2nd of May, which is a Saturday, 2nd of May 2020. In some few weeks to come, no, 3 music awards for Sobe one concert. No? So make sure you vote for your favorite artist. Vote for your favorite artist. Now I'm quite there. We are about na social media do now what your write up 10 never catch there favorite artists we win and ask every day, so vote for them, and that's what's coming from the camp of 3 music award organizers. I want to so my work. Well, today what we are going to discuss now, it's based on what I saw on Twitter. Rapper Nkezi, CEO of Nkezi Music, Guru. Yes. Blogger be often Kobiche News na enim na or show be to Twitter now I there one year Guru do njo one year Guru do my Guru so I reply, and that is what we are going to discuss today about fan base njo ni na no as it goes on no we quick just we just delve into the discussion part no. Well, some weeks ago but as this me who am a fan friend of name says this opedo rappers opedo budget queen of GH rap and crown shows abado sister fia and high life either hip life kakra ni na kabum contemporary nyama no kabum no well your one who they will release a new song with video also WMT. Yes, WMT. Meaning how ebe decode no, but the way ebe decoding we are wow. We also a WMT na when you no releasing na coffee break and this song for Sister Debbie. Yes, Sister Derby, African Mermaid in Jordan sister no. Also man, but Sister if you also said on one movie na WMT no chere women must talk. But if you watch the video, and listen to the song, you realize I said this song and nankasa so the WMT and you know or can meaning on women must talk. Into no Sister Fia should come again. Well, the Muslim you could why the beef be or rise in among the female clan or music industry no. Ono na Eno Baroni in self-acclaimed queen of rap Ghana had a also so what to ni blow other mana Sister Fia on Instagram. Also the Sister Fia na the best the rap soup in Ghana no best no I don't you willy natural sister no what this Sister Fia poto cry well beef your kukodia among female musicians ya so na krapon polo na la sister so a musician no you know while I start trending ya maybe and I don't want to do na do corner I pede trending na ko flow ka ho asem na hihye ya roba na ya day na sister era acting nim njo wa so se dey start acting ya che na sister what time haba and also a blow and also se dey Sister Fia kan ho asem wanyum nim njo o Sister Fia se dey where while go naked on social media for 3 years still she's still single no so went through jobs at Sister Fia me pede yakọ na yakọ Rosemond Brown a crapping polo video no na Sister Fia na yakọ hwe na embra.
Madam Pig, as old as you are, you still went on the Lace show to lie over there that you were detained when you were going back to UK, when you went to the UK because you bought a new car there and your logbook, you forgot to change your logbook. Massa, you forgot to tell the whole world that your papers were not genuine. You were living there legally. So they detained you till your uncle came in. Your uncle came to bail you. He seized your passport. You are still living there legally. Fucking DJs and bouncers. You are here telling me I've been showing my nakedness for so many 3 years and I'm still single. I and you have been showing nakedness. Massa, focus on yourself. Oh. Ladies can do everything just to travel out. Me, I know Cardi B is going to take me to US. That's why God brought her to me. No rushing. I'm a cool girl. Do you know how many people who have been inviting me? People who want to take me. Ask Ruby Flashy. She want to pay everything.
There you have it. That was a crapping polo, sexy polo, Rosemond Brown. chere ono so I dey no befu e hwe sister na no befu opa ono so nesama wa to ama oye sister fia nso nyen. Well, moving on, ni na beef nim ho na why this year na dey mesafo no also open will take over beef no. Oye enum ya sister fia release years. Oye Frida Rhymes injo oko hit maker winning no. Ono so we release oye freestyle bi. Ono so rekade this year high life no. Onya want to munya high life in this one na us the woman may rap want to munya high life in this also about join the rap na rap no more join this na no record record ya so na Fantana in your rough time records Fantana sister ya obey ya na nenum ye hu body patch chere ehun ha o kono so odi biamna oya wona wo this one hu no social media no cho Instagram and I read I say every day queen this queen that talent this and no talent that meanwhile only 2 current female musicians in Ghana can brag about being international. The rest of us are all local champions, so be there and be beefing instead of building the industry. Also, I want what he had was so like say me queen of this. When now when you want she Fantana no some can try there. Well, when you want she, and then she also went ahead to say that also all these females in the industry do is create fake beef with each other. You all starting to look as bad as them wigs and outfits you all been wearing. Oh, hey, Fantana said that was sort of fake beefs now. Why? Now, one fake beef, you know, it looks like the one fake wigs now. One in 10 hours. Hey. Oh, Fantana, where about ben? About the ben, chere. I am someone to say a Ghana music industry now. I start being no biaba no be ye biana. Or trend the Caribbean no come up chere Fantana. I'm woman Fantana ne hit. Woman Fantana ne hit pe. Ne hit one penna. Young bana young record. So that's it. I beef for record where industry name no be say afuna won so say ano. Why one add name you funa de bia me funa na wo beef one. You see I want so waji one ho. But one ho ajim. Enjoy. I hope that they make good use of it, just like how the other gender is also doing. Now moving on to our next story. Funny face, enjoy children president of PT1, Kaswa Van Dam, Ata Papa, enjoy. Ono so I then I say on any Yankofoye, Lorraine and Calipos and Bismarck the Joe going at some confusion be our social media also that was all fake and Calipos is a greedy person now what peda or follow trend on so I am not he wants to be him. But I want so I know what can want some way a day. On or to one and be or dama or I want to work by social media or back can want some. So let's go. I have the video. Let's go and watch funny face. Yeah, but now you wrap up. Now you have to a conversation.
Yeah. At Funny Fans, forgive me. I have to do this thing to clear some things off my chest and everything. Nyama be brace me so do. Yeah. Oh yeah, ni papa pani de boni utiaka. Oh yeah, papa ni de wa be yeah mo pa to me de atemo. Dey biom still. Aden. Yo me mama. Funny Fans, forgive me. I have to do this thing so I can be alive to take off my children. Me ti momu me kume. Me mama mo ti me mama pressure. Sabi. This is the mo be ma pressure. See ebony. Happy soul. Ti mo ma pressure ni sa afa nipa no. Ye to be plan ni class ye be kokra ni ye ko. Because we want sometimes get away and be free small. And so go sa momia oba yanti asempano. Sebi nyame funny crazy. Rest in peace on him. Wasiafo mo you feel say I get your time. They don't give a fuck about people in the day the net way that they insult me on. At least I'll be free. And my children will live to see their father happy again. Aden. Obi aka so peste bia ye. Muna mu samu ye celebrate mu ye big mu ye star. Me who sa. Ya boati me de ta utwa me wa me prepioto me de ta ope naked me boato kwan na makoda. Sana me living my life. She fa me ho. Aden. Teacher me next time. Because I'm different me whole time baby. Why you be my coffee film? You go see secrets, both male and female.
Funny face, children president, Kaswa Van Dam, Ata Papa, opete one injo kaswa chotro injo ono na waka no waka kana adwena acha wana waka kana won say on social media na was say na funny face e dey what's a one na we hypocrite o so waka kana wan sam ono so wa abo one also calibers day and best mark the joke ni now no one in a fight. So that's it. Moving on, no. Oya actress Benedict Agafa. Oya some I think last week one honorable Canadian Japan. No yona na Bishop of Winning one beef ni muna no kobo Benedict ni din there. Oka Bishop of Winning mune side checks no. And I hear one year video be was the guy be the honor. Oya Benedict and the ex-husband injo na oya no kwa de Benedict Jan no kodi oya Bishop Obinu Nechi. Well, Benedict Agafa ba out oya Kumawood actress Benedict Agafa ba out abeka de no. So far as her honor and the family where concerned they she has never been married. She doesn't have any husband anywhere. Only ex-husband bia or baby into no bia ebe hu video bia na de picture bia na de post bia or social media ni pa corner kade oya the ex-husband of Honor Benedict Agafa. No, it's not true. Ono only ex-husband unworried that. So that is it. Last day, the young John Dumelo in the camp. Also, that so we need election yo. When we know on your door, beje adore you know. It's now on our social media. What pedo paint in the black there. Because the pedo win election internet. Also, I know why they. My sister and come pede. Me transfer me vote in Poko. I was so wagon one because I the constituency higher the war. Higher between MPP and this. Oh yeah. The current the certain MP injo honorable no na wakanda John Dimelo no eyi cheyi ne ya cheyi eyi che double ne ya che triple e ya che kwat that because it was why though madam or they will move ko me na magic beka say be hwe na ya koyi office for na ya transfer your votes na alcohol no man no that che ye constituent of oya ayawa so wagon injo na bibi obeche bia ye na dey ye sheta kwa dey hade ntie hu bibia. Well, that's it for quick gist right here on Showbiz Bars on Ideas TV. Me wonder was send one comment be pray. Thank you all for watching. Mama read the Stitches ISMGH. Okay, is it the ISM and kasa na dey different ISM? Well, as Ideas TV, big ups. Okay, big ups to you also. Ebenezer Forsen. Also, tad you for real. Let's support our own. More grace to your elbow. Amen. Thank you for watching. Raphael Prempe. Also, I'm watching you live from Petase. I don't know if it's correct. Still a fear kuma to the world. Yes, yeah, we fear kuma here. A fear kuma to the world. Big ups to you. Moses Finn. I say Ghana music industry is mad. Okay. John Akon. Also, I'm watching you live from Tidy in Penton. Worship our boys. Okay. Thank you all for watching. Remember that we're watching and pass. So, as conversation recording now, also sending your comments and your opinions. May you see you ma also so Adrian from home. You can also call us. Now. Yete wadrinche. The number is 059 5971 540 059 5971 540. That is it. So yanko yendi yeno common that magic or hade magic akwaba
yeah sika fishapa
yo yate yajido
bibi I
fine now say wiki or kwadan
oh ngakanga
so na midweek
nti nyama reko fine kakanga Korean na but still nyama reko fine and bad
nyama is slow but still
odo kodo
yes and baby aba stand
baby send baby nti let me check my sister part Mrs. Buffrey or US I'm just because US it's getting crazy 56,000 people.
So overwhelmed.
Almost about 1 million people when you be. That is crazy. The second hand and 1 million when you be. I think it's but US almost about 1 million. And I'm watching an article be from one of the doctors or a frontliner. I think New York, one of the top hospital. We could
yeah, I heard it.
Yeah, I think I'm Bessia.
And she's not the only one. I think Italy. So
I think is it actually a frustration now?
Yes. It affects your mental health. Yeah.
So he has to take his
so
life.
So me, I feel that in the midst of everything, we have to provide psychological assistance especially to frontline health workers.
Yes.
And I wanna so when you be no. Because attesting after that, no stigma, no so beba. Naga only stigma, not drain. People think
and yeah, but they are your own there. Say even post any business will treat you still and you're safe because say I am looking at so or call lungs in the mouth to lungs in sometime baba you can die at any time. So say all lungs are damaged and it is serious. Don't know my corona no more and still we Africans, Ghanaians, we are still playing with it.
Me, I feel that after lockdown, why them confirm I dream they think that it's all gone.
Why? What's the that Kubu had a Usajo saying for him? Kubu this side, it's in a man care. What's in the no boys and rubber ball? Mama, Obi Kopo or the catch on there, so in jail about the back of a police woman and the old man be paying pie. He was defending them. The boys said that were boy no. The guy is when you back of police was and he MP police, I had the MP police, which is nonsense. We should be serious. US 1 million. People were crying Ghana say Ghana had a people 1 million when you be on Konye.
Oh no.
Share almost 1,000 plus crampo. Share and you still keep on playing with Nyama. Let's be serious. Let's be serious, pa. Sika and the story is again I think funny face no I think Adwene kakra. And that yeah the story be about he telling Bismarck the joke there, not open wife or something.
Yeah, also the girl be and also Calibus, also the girlfriend be
also Calibus also polygamy or cam when you get them my son lady or fire lady no some peanut means I am quite good heart. Are you getting me? And I think Ababono the man you might work with someone or share our progress now, although there one number but our progress now still. He or she envies you, Mama can answer. But in Uncle Ross, no Bobby, I was not in favor, no favor. Maybe I call from an I'm quite more called Mom tea. There are certain times you ask why you don't have to envy or be, just be who you are. Are you getting me? And I think funny face you relax. Mama for don't call them your because of he has family to take off.
Damn, I feel that after everything, no. I think that you should just ignore everything. Just move on because this is a sign in deals I sign.
But I'm telling you, Fante na so.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Get on do. She's not bad at that, Fantana.
Yeah. But for me, I feel like they should have relaxed with a girl.
No, I love the beef. The beef from Fante.
Yeah, I also like it. I think like. But I feel that it doesn't happen more often in the industry between the ladies. It's no why them confront and.
No,
so I'm just waiting. Sister, why the baby age na sister Fiano for her to come back again, and also sister Debbie because
Tiffany, no,
I don't think because I the Nankasa way and you know because of what happened in the past. You know, I don't think
someone we want.
Nankasa someone. So I don't think that. Well, magically, quickly, you move on to between rapper Guru and Kobiche, what Kobiche was saying there, fan base, you know. Guru in new fan base. Is it really necessary now? Fan base, they say.
Fan base, no, SM Bim. No,
Sack Nation.
Sack Podi.
Sack Nation.
I see they support Sack Podi. Sack Podi fan base sometimes cut across. But your actually be your loyal fans are on them grandpa. So are there Stoneboy baby they like it. The same thing applies to SM. SM found out why that hard. I want much at all the pressure. I want to also.
It's not what's for life is for life. For life is for life. Oh, that be.
Where are you from?
Man, because this is me a training. I'm also about to know. Man, because I'm a create me fan base.
Sika base.
Oh, I the Sika for
Sika Nation.
Sika Nation. Oh, yeah, but you did name never. You're planning we are. Magic man jealous my music career. I don't fine.
I know it's a quite a blog and slapping now.
Yeah.
Also bonus some more.
Yeah, but then people are also saying according to what
made in Tardy now.
Made in Tardy Takwade. But then let me try and read what Guru so okay no. From what Guru is saying, on all feel there Kobiche Sakwade ne blogger. Yes, Sakwade ne blogger. And
but that boy works for Kofu Bebre. I don't know, but I know he works for a lot of people, but his main focus is Sakwade.
Yeah.
But now, Guru is one of the most unluckiest artists in Ghana. I always say.
Unlucky then. Cheddar no talent in the batoni.
Talent in the batoni lucky. Guru. So ama why who the still. Baby, I don't know, you know, still I don't know if I know who the wapaba.
Yeah.
Are you getting me? And Guru is one of the best rappers you have here in Ghana.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
So you say best rappers, the Guru Beckham.
No, he's what could be one of the he's among best, you know.
Okay.
Somebody like Yapono is one of the good one of the fine rappers in Ghana. Okay. Somebody like this boy, Kumasi boy.
Flocking
Stone.
Actually, Ochano commented to him, no, best rapper.
Flocking Stone. This boy, Strong Man. It's one of the fine rappers you have.
The T-Flows and also
T-Flow. In bad. Kofi Kenata they say he was to know so rap on a chance so rappers no you fan kan and I think about Western region you have good rappers Hindu Lucas Isem
the Casters and all
try nobody there boy now
nobody there.
Okay,
Mind of Picasso.
Oh, yeah, bad.
We have Nemesis no na dey
na. Won't do them.
Oh yeah.
To am them love na.
And they call magic pede ya call but
to them love na. So Guru sisi a seni fan base a ono so aya bana. Sika. Onya bon. I think Guru wo baby a okwa nkofo support no.
Okay.
Are you getting me? Or baby okwa for supporting. I know what's the called Nukrum baby. He has a lot of support there. So them say Kofi Kenata Batakra there or made in Tada and go for work. The same thing applies to Guru. So I'm minimum idea Kobiche who here in Toreka there Guru on fan base. Are you getting me? He has people who support him.
Okay.
The people who support they are your fan base.
Alright.
Are you getting me?
Yeah.
And then because and then second Shatawal provide ID card man or supporters who show ID card actually support okay Sakni SMA Obi no ID card or introduce.
Okay.
Same thing applies to beam for no. Obi beam fan club ebi a fan obi no ebi a particular go for be the wato e work an fan club a somebody should provide what can then passport what can then ID card.
ID card, yeah.
Introduce every month to be. You don't get some any hobby. Same thing applies to every when they say gang. Kwame Eugene fan. Obia no was there or authentic fan base or ID cards they pay dues every month.
Okay.
They are all supporters. They can swing that. Die today, so fans and they will continue to support you. They will look for other artists that they feel that you're good at, then they will support.
Yeah.
So I don't think that you the Guru and who you put them about track as someone, about play as someone by the can. I get to me. Unless okay, be other no so it be up a hype kakana and hopefully take on one so much and he wants people to talk about him. But with me, if any fan base another people feel that any fan base are mood or other how because Ghana had it. Obia know of the fan base war they pay dues at everyone to war ID card. We are them there. Beam Nation, the fan base ni, book ni, what the ID card. I will be watching now or fan base in or one. So with me. I can't think Guru. We should forget about this. Not for
when what Kobiche is saying, what he is trying to say there, Guru any major problem in there. He's not building an organized fan base. Now let's look at the likes of Shatawale Stoneboy and let's add Sarkodie. These people have organized fan base. We know them. They have a name. You know, when we mention Sarkodie, we know that Sac Native are Sac Nation or from Sac Natives and Bim Fono so. And the last time I mentioned Stoneboy in interview, no, the Bim Fonanka sample. either or branches wom. Your Benetton phone or and your beam phone so and a stone boy gang or something.
What is he trying to explain?
Now, no. Why now group? Why now? Was support to our stone boy. Yeah, and also when we come to Shatawale too, we have the SM phone so. Now we know these people. No, but so what also. But we know these people. These are organized people. BBN, they push the work of the artists. Oye Stone Boy, Shatawale, and Sako, they one fan base, where to what channel into their popularity, especially on social media and even events. This is where do time say artists really organize a show. What to organize one walk for bars, even if it's in Kumasi Krampa, from Accra to Kumasi, no wako. So that mean if you organize if you have an organized fan base, that mean so what to work on your benefit.
Also no be an agenda or the music.
Okay.
Are you getting me? Maybe a guru feel that say academic baby because time at first rain concert at Shatawale or the Dome. We saw a lot of people
the rain concert
for bars, branded SM bars or the Shatta movement or they travel when they went to Accra to support Shatawale. It's fine. Also, no be an idea enter into music. Ebia, you find the guru or smart time or peak time no or journey peak no ya carry that or la pass to it or bunsemeni
time azon to
you should have taken that advantage to organize nankasane fan base people. Are you getting me? Ebia when you smart them time. Now that time sooner the my idea no on say that I knew what to Shatawale. Oh, you name him now or start SM, Wally SM, then Bim what can then Stone Boy start Bim, highly Imperial Majesty, or they started them Yamanka Bim, a Bim Nation, you know why I understood to form in the fans because a watcher Shatawale Nkofubi, no more Shatawale Bay Nkofubi. That is some particular group be. That is, let me say, I can say the boys, the fraud boys, those boys in Shatawale. Shatawale underground now, he feels there.
Ghetto boys,
And before, time Shatawale, Shatawale. So, all your man, they feel there. Say 10 cars, no, so the local programmer. Shatawale programmer. Maybe nobody are playing Shatawale song. So, them group in one of about 20. Where's up there? I don't know about support your boss, SM boss, Shatawale. Woku baby a castle, no about Shatawale, no about dance walking, no about dance walking, no about me. Po. Boys no queen that time no. Boys or call them time in I bet you be out. Shatawale nyum gotin. Because no set agenda be there. They want to project Shatawale to a certain point there. She said they want to put up a back into boys in that must Shatawale start the fans no was out from the street.
Yeah.
And sana nkofu bi na aba artists no na suni. Bandano akori band no aba Shatawale no. Bandana ato ademodu baby no. Na corporate for na other nkofu bi what do one jijima na sisi ad no aba be bigger. And if I tell you the kind of people they support Shatawale, you'll be marvel. Yeah. Are you getting me? Inti Guru Ebia when you're smart, and the Ebia not new and Jidam Yamano. I don't so Ebia you feel the I'm there already. Work a guru because Sawabom events very banners Obo Guru. He knows that a man for beefy baby your Babeshano. All about Babeshan, these are the guys out they support him. And CCR you would mark he cannot unto me a hate bill. If I'm wrong,
I know your hits no, make a good use of
very
that
good.
time.
And if CCR now on your hit be on could be is over him. Are you getting me?
Okay.
Rather than Guru unto me a hit. So I young bumper that you not find difficult to go. About religion, obey a promo, and then poor young pa. Because somebody like Obi to the Guru shouldn't struggle to make a hit. But he's struggling. Oh no, he's struggling. Although there he has, he's a good rapper. Although there he brings out good works, bad energy. So no, it's not a bad song. Bad energy.
Yeah,
it's not a bad song.
Energy, yeah.
This is the one thing that be a many artists no issue there. Say, hey, you na say, hey, you ma promoto, who DJ so promoto because other than DJs actually, and say, hey, you na they don't going to one castle, and this is what's happening to Guru. Are you getting me? Until for now, no Guru is not making hit. This is on on form of fan base this year.
Okay.
On the form of fan base this year because he's not making hits this year. And since I don't know if Sonia show our outside, but I don't know because and he went to
also all but shows or sell tickets, auditoriums and stadiums. Oh, maybe we do is also we all pull up numbers and sold out auditoriums and stadiums. If you are judging because of this app, you are wrong.
At where? When the last time I tell you, I'm going to show my film.
We're gonna
have
it could be.
You tell me, we're gonna have another outside. Correct me if I'm wrong. Another I should phone if they should correct me if I'm wrong. Who is not making hits? Recently, Ninu more come out my bad energy. Ninu be and come out.
Okay.
That's releasing somewhere 2018 or 2018 or 2019. No, 2018 or releasing them. Bad energy on Pobas or by Empire Studio. That's now I was playing for Kudoku on the drive. Or by interview. On boss or Kwabana when you're answering you. I'm not gonna so on that was a couple show or Aximo say emphasize now. I'll pass it through. That was not Christmas. That was Christmas. I getting me. So Guru Nankasene say I don't know, he's not making it into I don't know where Kobiche uncle for Guru fans no for fee and the Guru movement no for fee because the guy is not making it. So why are you hitting hard on him? I think Kobiche should give Guru a break because maybe a guy is not making a hit.
But Magic, let's look at this. Generally, do you think them musicians today should invest in getting a solid fan base or an organized fan base at least? Today, the way SM started, Shatawale started, Sisi and Kaka. I want to know push, you know, awards in power. They will vote because they are loyal to you. They are organized, so they are loyal to you until they will vote. Even if one local point, they will vote and then make you win. Yeah. Now let's look at Guru. Guru, we got to a time at least a year people pour releasing more than 2 hit songs. Nina, as at now, Guru doesn't really have a VGMA award. If not for Nenyom with Obrafo, Kasiabo. Yes, and Konyona because the last time I met an interview, if it's Onyona and Canada and Koni. So don't you think that as an artist and as a musician, they have to invest in organizing a fan base, having a solid fan base, an organized fan base, they are going to push their craft.
Sika fan base, you know, Shatala Wale Ame it's a good thing. Are you getting me? Yeah. It's a good thing. Somebody like Gadam Nation for no, they support him big time. And the fan base, there. Reason why my fan base no be being there. SM, Beam Nation, Sack Nation, they are all in Accra. I mean, but I'm finding difficult to locate Sakwa there. The fan base, baby, or okay. Are you getting me? We know Shatawale SM movement is more into the youth, Zongo, ghetto youth, no, Nima,
street.
Mamobi.
I think it's because of their
new
music
town,
now.
The kind of music now Shatawale,
no.
You know, somebody is strictly a shaman. Or a shaman to the world, a shaman, a shaman, a shaman street. A pet for a shaman street, you're going to so be a stone boy.
So we'll be a shop,
we'll be a shop. Mamma can attack. Some time ago, we saw where be sack. Or the what happened to what collections? What happened to it?
Collection,
because you are the first person. I want no above for the execution where the bay. No, Shabako do not pump. In the West. Do you know that? Yes. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No pumps. Above for in the West.
Okay.
And if you will be full on a sack, you are the first artist. Another artist say you the away. But where is your own now? The people are complaining that it's expensive.
Yeah. Why be?
I wish them sack will bring that sack collections and whatever. Because Bim is making money out of it. I'm not for Shaman CC for Bridgenasi, Tamara Quater, branch of Bridgenasi, and my bomb a Shaman was a beam, even tax drivers, beam stickers now from account. Edward, they make you fool who they know this boy is coming from this place. But what is Guru if and fan base no another say if and a fan base nation war.
Oh, Fadama.
Fine, okay, you know, because Fadama in from the whole fee.
Yeah.
Sack of
fee. Starting.
Come on.
tema. So they be all tema.
But ehun they are loyal to him like that. Me should have me hun them. I know he has a followers, but me should have me hun them.
Okay.
Eba Takwara to move. They know the Eba Takwara Western region. We have to move here. I'm kind of saying until obey no concert. Obey concert no Krumadi. Or the obey
move in our song.
People will Takwara to move you know because no I feel. So with me, you know, I think if Senka artists be a fan base, it will help Wankasa artists Nankasa.
Okay.
The little project the fan base Nankasa will push it for you.
All right.
I mean, they are making their fan base. The first time you've been about Satawala, maybe even with their fan base.
Are you very important?
Are the papa? You're important boy. Are the papa?
All right.
So if they try to able to ability in the near future, no, it will help Wankasa. But it will very difficult for you to fade. Because they will support you. If you want to organize BBR, the fan base will come and support you. Because men in Tadi, what can then? Unless you can do Niska, this boy. If you cannot take on Niska, what more organize that? So, and you say, because of what more organize every be attention want to do the Kofi Kinata on the 23rd be another every December be organize a program on Takradi. I get him. So what fan base, you know, I mean, me for the motor can Kofi Kinata Shatawala, my baby, there or the papa. So every artist should try to Nankasa. Organize BB Manankasa because it's a good thing, I'm telling you.
All right. So yeah, that's it. Magic so Sunday submissions and new opinions on that banner. What messages no Mark can be. Well, big ups to you all watching. I'll try and mention when I remember when you shout out and there were a special shout out some moment. Well, Hussein Kweju, I guess I'm watching you live from Kumasi. Yeah, so me Kumasi for Nina, which I was saying for your Checha Muina, Bridget Befi Ankara. You're also watching us live. Thank you for watching. Big ups to you, and also big ups to Benjamin Insonyaba, Gifty Opoku Kunedu, Irajua Ocher, Chantal Aban. You are all watching us. Gifty, yeah, Gifty. Okay. Big shout outs to any programs manager, yeah, Kojo Freestyle, Checheni, also so Orishayan, Kwame Alex and Wayne Arthur Wilson, George Bra YM, Nana Bafo Asare, Franklin Saki, Denzel Fenn. You are all watching us. Thank you all for watching.
Is in, I think it's in Italy.
Oh, okay, Italy for
Franklin Saki to I know minimum gift to your poku.
Okay.
I know and minimum so.
All right, Denzel Fenn, Chantal Aban, Daniel K. Dazi, Vincent. You are all watching us. Tony Papayatel, and also Nanatax, Franklin Saki, Homeboy GH. Big ups to you all. Cheba for you are also watching us. Thank you all for watching. Nanatum for Bofree. Miss I never going now.
Nanatum for Bofree. That is
Nanatum for Bofree.
That is my sister's husband.
Okay.
All the way in the US.
All right. US for yeah, Russia and Yachawan. Italy for so Yachawan. Kumasa for Metamale phone so okay, Metal one catcher. Okay, Tamale for big ups. Yeah, big ups to you all. Tamale for you now so Yachawan. Thank you all for watching. Samuel Kwesi Ampa. Thank you for watching. And
I think I know Samuel Kwesi Ampa.
Yeah. And Bridget, okay. I think they also but then thank you all for watching. We appreciate your time. What the by TV do Jimenez Goshen, big shouts to you, Moses Fenn, and also okay, Manucho Magandi is also watching. Nucho Matthew, Maba. I don't birthday. You should want to know. I remember no about birthday gift to her. So yeah, thank you all for watching. This has been Showbiz Bars, and I'm Sikawoman Magic George of our studio in Komokakra. I'm trying. Yami Aduma Friday will come your way at exactly 12 p.m. Now, 3 music awards, so we will try and then
Sika, do you think it's necessary?
3
music awards. Why didn't one break and one trend after Corona?
Why can't we have a virtual awards show?
I don't know, but I don't think it's to me. I don't think it's proper.
Don't proper. Embrace the
that is me. No, that is. I think Corona, no matter what situation, God will heal us. So I think they should wait.
That doesn't mean that we should pause everything, Magic.
Oh, Sika.
That doesn't mean that we should pause everything.
I think
life still goes on. I think with that, really, because BBI sees it, that my anchor, if everything is to cease.
Everything BBI sees, everything has to cease because there's a reason.
So,
yes. And Missy weekend is Friday, Miss Pedam baby at Coachella, when you're baby Coachella. So that's the reason why everything that's the reason why everything has to cease because it's a reason why to be a season.
Auditorium bia, so that is it. Okay. We'll be and Tiamu Yaduma, I'm not magic here, but you share. Oh yeah, nominees Nibino. Now you discuss what had on Friday. So was also will be BBI pede wajin chebia pede cho will be so Johnson will baby now Friday at exactly 12 p.m. So it's sharing right here on IGA TV. Now yeah, but then the conversation is still going on. So get interactive with us via our social media platforms at IGA TV on Instagram, Twitter, and also on Facebook, and also call YouTube, and then go and subscribe to our channel, and then click on the notification bell. On BBI the button will be also na ash and come. Well, my name is Jessica Woman. Make sure you stay safe. For one side, use a hand sanitizer, face mask, and a nose mask, whatever that you call it. Use it appropriately. Wash your hands. Practice social distancing. Stay safe so that we can kick coronavirus out. Well, bye bye. See you on Friday.